Hello and welcome to another update video on ADA. It really seems as if the ADA chart is frozen at the moment. We talked in previous updates about the importance of the point of control. That's something we can identify with the VRVP indicator. It shows us which price was traded most here based on Kraken data. And this is the area, around 38.5 cents. I mean, the price is currently holding above it, clearly, but there hasn't really exactly been an impulsive upside reaction. So, it's not exactly a convincing reversal confirmation here that we have on this chart, but I just wanted to double down again on this level. And it's not just that, I mean, that's one level, the point of control is, but it's more like a zone of support, because what you can see down there is like a cluster of support between 31.5 cents and 41 cents, and this is where we are. So even if the price breaks a little lower, the floor will start to creak, but there is more support down there, and then the 32.2 cent level is the key Fibonacci support that matters for a B-wave pullback in the white or the orange scenarios that we discussed in previous updates. So it's a deep correction. ADA has been in a correction all year. Of course, sentiment is likely dead, you could say. There's like sentiment is so bad. Shout out to anybody who's still here. But it is, I know, difficult. So the question is at the moment, can we turn around? And we have to navigate the smaller time frame for that. On the smaller time frame charts, we can identify the possible reversal structures and micro support levels. And I will tell you what I need to see to indicate that really the market is turning around. I mean, the market will indicate that, but we can read it. Now, I shared with you over the last few days, and some of you watched the videos, some get the member updates, but we do have a micro 5-wave move up from that low that formed on the 21st of November. Now, I gotta say, I can easily also find a way to call that a corrective pattern. I'm just, because the market has hit such an important support level and we're in a broader support area, I'm showing you what it takes to confirm a proper reversal. And that is a 5-wave move like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can tell you I can't really see it happen at the moment, so it's low confidence. But still, I wanted to share with you the parameters and the levels that now need to hold to keep an upside reversal scenario alive. So we have a micro support zone here between 39.8 cents and 41.8 cents. As long as we're holding it, the market might try to turn around here and give us that reversal to the upside. Below 39.8 cents, however, a test of the Friday low last week becomes more probable. That was around 38.5 cents, and then at the same time, invalidation of the 1-2 setup becomes more likely. Yesterday, I shared with you at least another low seems more likely. We've got that one more low because then this gives me a full ABC structure now. I gotta say, maybe the third was only here and we still get another low. It's not needed. But anyway, until we see an impulsive upside reaction from this zone, there is no low. In the first instance, I would need to see a break above that B-wave high around 43.6 cents for an indication the third wave up has started. And only if I get really all these 5 waves, then we have a proper reversal signal. That's the update on ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out our X channel as well for additional updates. I'll leave a link in the comments. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.